welcome back to our channel, Hillbilly in the Philippines. It is Sunday and we are out looking for some pigs. One of our bassoons that works for us told us about some pigs up here in the Buhi, Antipolo area, and we're on a pig mission to find the bowboy, the piglets. We're going to try and pick up 6 of them today, and if we can find the place, we're not really exactly for sure where it is, so we will see if we can find them and show you guys a little bit of this beautiful area back up in here. It's really nice. I don't think I've ever been up here. There's Lenny said there's a swimming resort up here somewhere. We might have to take you guys up here to the swimming resort sometime on another trip. Let y'all look around, kind of the scenery, what this place looks like. The upland area. We will be back with you guys in a few minutes. We can find the pigs. We'll let you all check them out, bring you along for the ride. See you in a few. Okay, we are here at the piggery, and we're going to check out some of these pigs that they have. Looks like they have a pretty good sized one here. Oh, a pig.
Oh, I heard a pig.
Oh, is that a pig? Easy.
Hello, Daddy.
Here, hold Daddy's hand. Oh, look, they have lots of big mama pigs. You think it'd be okay if I stepped in and looked at some of them and recorded?
Later.
Well, we just got back to the car. Have some bad news. He doesn't have any available right now. He said it would probably be June before he has another litter big enough to sell. But we looked at his pigs, and they're very nice, very big, long. One of them is the longest landrace pig I believe I've ever seen, probably close to 6 feet long, and very healthy. He takes very good care of his pigs, so we might just wait until June to pick up some off this guy, because his quality is outstanding, and you can just tell that the piglets will be good breeders if they're anything like their mama. But we're going to get out of here, and we're going to stop by a resort on the way and check it out, and we'll show it to you guys, and we'll be back with y'all here in a minute. Very busy here at this swimming resort today. Super busy. You can tell it's a pretty place here. Very nice. It's like a spring of water that comes up out of the ground. Hello. Yes, sir. Hillbilly in the Philippines. Never been to this resort. It's like kind of a local place. Pretty nice. Nice pretty water. Good place to come and relax in the Sunday with the family. Nice place here. Whoa! Water coming out here. Just figured I'd stop and let you guys check this place out. Never been here before. We'll probably have to come back here and take us a trip. Enjoy some of this cool water. This is a hillbilly in the Philippines, Matt Cottle, signing off. And we'll catch you guys on the next one.